Using YNAB to pay off debt involves creating a structured plan and tracking your progress. Here's how to do it. List your debts. Start by listing all your debts in YNAB, including credit cards, loans, and any other liabilities. Enter the balances, interest rates, and minimum payments for each debt. Create budget categories. Set up specific budget categories for each debt. This helps you allocate funds directly towards your debt payments. Prioritize debts. Decide on a strategy to pay off your debts. Two common methods are the snowball method and the avalanche method. Allocate funds. In your budget, allocate money to cover the minimum payments for all your debts first. Then, direct any additional funds to the debt you are prioritizing based on your chosen strategy. Track payments. Record every payment you make towards your debts in YNAB. This keeps your budget accurate and helps you see your progress over time. Reduce spending. Look for areas in your budget where you can cut back on expenses. Redirect the saved money towards paying down your debt faster. Monitor progress. Regularly review your budget and debt categories to track your progress. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. Adjust as needed. If your financial situation changes, adjust your budget to reflect new income or expenses. Keep your focus on debt reduction.